Hello everybody. Welcome to Delightful Solutions. Today, I will be sharing with you 3 new remote customer service opportunities that are hiring right now. Let's get started with the first opportunity. Byram Healthcare is looking to hire a remote customer service representative. This opportunity pays $20 per hour. Let's look at the qualifications and skills. The company is looking for someone with superior listening, verbal, and written communication skills, excellent data entry and typing skills, knowledge of customer service practices and principles, ability to handle the stressful situation appropriately, customer focus and adaptability to different personality types, ability to multitask, set priorities and manage time effectively, and you need to have 1 to 3 years of experience in customer service. For benefits, they offer 401k, dental insurance, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, paid training, and vision insurance. Your main responsibilities are to assist patients in the new or reorder process, managing large amounts of inbound calls in a timely manner, identifying patients' needs, clarify information, research every issue and providing solutions, evaluate patients' demographics and information as needed to complete requested orders, process orders using Byram customized system ERP, maintain patients' records by updating account information, plus, recommend additional products that may be necessary or available to the customer. Job 2. Cambium Learning Group has an open position for a remote customer service representative. Per Glassdoor, this opportunity is estimated to pay up to $24 per hour. Time for Learning is seeking a customer service representative to be responsible for providing support to Time for Learning product users via phone, email, instant message chat, and social media networks. All customer service representatives are trained to answer any type of question, including but not limited to billing, technical support, homeschooling, product-related questions, etc. Note, although the job is remote, you must be able to work East Coast hours. Let's look at the job requirements. The candidate needs a minimum 2 years of customer service and retention experience, call center and/or remote experience, preferred. Proficient knowledge of Microsoft Office, Google Drive, Outlook, email systems, and the Internet. Excellent verbal and written skills. Ability to multitask in a fast-paced environment. 1 year experience in K-12 homeschooling education, preferred. Required internet speed of at least 7 megabits per second. A speed test will be conducted. Job 3. Quickbase has an open position for a remote customer service representative. Per Glassdoor, this opportunity is estimated to pay up to $32 per hour. Quickbase is seeking a talented and dedicated individual to join their team as a customer support representative. In this role, you will be responsible for providing exceptional customer service and support to their customers. Your main responsibilities are responding promptly to customer inquiries via email, phone, and live chat, providing accurate information and solutions to customers' inquiries, including but not limited to general questions on product, calculations, limited JavaScript, rule logic, integrations, ensuring customer satisfaction by following up on resolved issues, collaborating with internal teams to resolve complex issues, continuously updating knowledge of products, services, and policies. Let's look at the requirements. Candidates need to have excellent communication skills, both written and verbal. Proven customer support experience or experience in a related field. Strong problem-solving skills. Ability to multitask and prioritize tasks effectively. Strong attention to detail and organizational skills. Independent worker capable of interpreting customer needs. Bachelor's degree preferred, but not required. Some coding knowledge preferred, but not required. The link to these remote opportunities are in the comments section. Happy job hunting!